In this video, you will learn how to actually start e-commerce business. I will explain you all process with 9 steps, so make sure you watch until the end so you will not miss anything for starting profitable business. First of all, you will need to create a store on Shopify. You can do it from the link in the description below. It's just a $1 a month. After you create your store, then you will need to first set up basic things like setting details, navigation menu, pages, applications, domain, or shipping times. So make sure you set up all this for the beginning. Then you will need to go to Etsy. It's etsy.com for finding product ideas. You will search custom frame, for example, and you will see many product ideas. You can choose any of them and find a supplier, which I will explain you later, and then add to your store. So let's choose this product for this video. It's a custom iDesign product, like people add their iPhoto and also customize message. So we will design like this. Then you will need to start editing your homepage. Just make it clean and easy to understand. Don't make it complex or don't spend too much time on it, because most of the customers will not check your homepage. They will check only product page, and that's all. They will buy or not, they will decide on the product page. And for the theme, I advise you the Sense theme. It's the free and it's available on Shopify. And now you can start editing your product page. It's the most important part here, because make sure you have a good quality photos, easy to understand variants, the section for the customizing, people can customize their order, detailed description, and also the reviews. Make sure you add a photo reviews, it's important. Just make your product page look more professional. And then set up your payment gateway. I advise you Stripe or Shopify payment gateway. It's the best one. The Shopify gateway is also powered by Stripe, so you can use like one of these. Then add your applications to your store. So you will need applications for reviews, sending SMS, emails, for pop-ups. You can use Privy. I use it for my all stores. It's highly recommended. And for fulfilling orders, you can use Gelato. I advise you this. They have a good quality products, and the pricing is also good compared to other print-on-demand business. I will put the link in the description so you can create your account from there. And after you create account, you can check the products. There are many products that you can add to your store. For example, there are different kind of frames, mugs or pillows, clothing, anything, or accessories. And even in the frames section, there are different kind of frames. For example, you can print your design on wood or aluminum, or on the classic wood frame, for example. So for this product, we will do wood frame poster. For this kind of products, the most common size is 30 to 40 centimeter and 45 to 60 centimeters. They have all the data about the product, the frame, paper quality, delivery. Like you can also see different plans here, so you will get the discounts from the different plans. I advise you to order couple products from the Gelato with your design, so you can make videos for your product, and then you can use these videos for advertising. So now let's start running ads. So we'll create a new campaign, and the objective, we will choose sales and then manual campaign. So in the campaign level, we don't need to do much things. We will just name it for the product, and that's all. We continue to the ad set level. In the ad set level, make sure you choose the correct pixel and purchase as an event, and then continue set your budget. I advise you minimum $10 per ad set, because $5 ad set is not working very good actually anymore. That's why minimum $10 is okay. And for countries, I advise you to use e-packet countries, because the more countries you target at the same time, the better cost per clicks you will get. Okay, your results will be cheaper, you will get more views, for example, more reach. That's why I advise you to use these countries. So you can just Google it, e-packet countries list, and copy to paste your business manager. And even if you run like this, most of the time your ads will focus on the United States, and it will be better compared to running only United States as a country. So the next will be the age and gender. Age around like 2021 to 45, and the both gender is okay for this product. And we continue to the interest. I advise you to run one interest per ad set, and you can search anything related to a product. For example, gift, you can choose gift wrapping or something else, and don't narrow this interest to engage shoppers or something else. It's not working very well actually. And we continue with the placements. Here you will need to choose manual placement, and make sure you choose exactly what I choose here. You can unselect other options. And now we will continue to the ad level. So here, make sure you choose your Facebook page and Instagram page correctly. We will upload the product video here, then primary text about the product. Make sure it's a short and easy to understand, and then add the product link, call to action, and publish your ad. So when you publish your first ad set, then go to the ad set level, and here you will need to duplicate this ad set, and I advise you to run at least 3 ad sets at the same time. The more ad sets you run, it's better because you can test more, you can understand more which data exactly working better for you. So we will copy these ad sets 2 more times, and we will have 3 ad sets in total, and we will change only interest here and the name for the ad set. And after you publish all of your ad sets, then just wait like around 2-3 days before you kill any ad sets. After 2-3 days you can check and scale your ad sets already. I will make more detailed and advanced video about the Facebook ad, so make sure you subscribe the channel and you will not miss this video. And also the other way for making sales is TikTok. You can post videos on TikTok and you can make organic sales. I also have a video about it, so make sure you watch it. I will put the link in the description. So it will be better if you have another source for sales. So now let's say you have orders already, and I will explain you how to fulfill your orders with Gelato. So first you have to go to orders page on Gelato, and here you will create a new order, then click add product and choose single product here. So as I say, we will choose here classic matte paper wooden frame, and we will choose the size and color for the frame, and then click start designing, and here in the file section you add your design here, and then continue, and then you will need to add the customer details for the delivery. Make sure you add all details correctly, and then you will make payment, and that's all. You fulfilled your order. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Most of the people says e-commerce business is dead. You cannot make money from dropshipping or print on demand business. The old dropshipping is dead. So don't listen to the people, just work smarter and you will be successful for sure. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something useful in this video. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe the channel and you will not miss my future contents.